Hi, I'm Norman and this is Frosty Friday. In this week's Frosty Friday challenge, we are looking at the programming language Python. And much like the animal, it can be deceptively dangerous, yet incredibly powerful in the right hands. All that is asked is that by the end of this tutorial, once the basics are dialed in, you don't go strangling anyone with it. That would be bad. Really bad. Python worksheets can be used to perform data manipulations and transformations without needing to install dependent libraries. The task this week is to write a stored procedure that outputs 2 columns of 4 rows with the string characters "We love Frosty Friday" and "Python worksheets are cool." Not quite as cool as me though. As a reminder, stored procedures allow us to extend the functionality of Snowflake to constructs like branching and looping. Once created, stored procedures can be reused multiple times. To kick off, we're going to head over and create a Python worksheet rather than the familiar SQL worksheet. And what that'll do for us is load a worksheet pre-populated with the session variables and packages required. If Python is new to you, I'd leave this as is and get to work on writing the code needed to complete the task within the main session handler over here. But before we do that, we're going to import the pandas library and alias it as PD. Once this has been done, we're then going to create a variable, label it data, made up of key value pairs with the key statement 1 and statement 2 acting as our column headers, and the corresponding values, an array of 4 elements, the words "We love Frosty Friday" and "Python worksheets are cool." From here, we are going to create a pandas data frame and feed it the variable we just created labeled data. A pandas data frame is an object contained within the pandas library. From here, we are going to initialize the Python object data frame, and lastly return the table or data frame with the data. So if we go ahead and run this script, what we should see appear in the results panel below is 2 columns, 4 rows with the words "We love Frosty Friday, Python worksheets are cool." All of the code, or most of the code used here, are all basic Python constructs, which any well-written Python 101 course will cover. If you found this useful, go ahead, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as they say in my hometown, don't forget to be awesome.